Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to add a push button to Blynk IoT platform. First open your account and go to your devices. Select the device and click Edit Dashboard. From the Web Dashboard section, scroll down until you find the image button. Drag and drop it into this zone. Click the gear icon, give it a name, then create a data stream. You should select the virtual pin and choose the min and max value, then click Create. Now we should add the images for the pressed status and the released status, which are the on and off status. Open your browser and type on button PNG. Choose the image you want to add and open it into a new window. Go to this window and copy this link. Go back to Blynk and paste it right here. As you can see, the image button has been successfully added. Now we should do the same with the off button. And yeah, as you can see, now our press button is ready. We should click on Save and click Save and Apply. And yeah, here is our push button ready to be used with our project. You can test it from the web page. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.